Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome back to online classes. I am Mr. Robert Sir from Utthan Primary English School, Arawat. Today I am going to teach you common noun. Yesterday I taught you children proper noun. Okay, now children, today I am going to teach you common noun. What is common noun? Jati Vachak Sankhya. A common noun is a name generally. What is generally? आम तौर पर. Generally means आम तौर पर. Given to any person, place, animal or things. Common noun बच्चों generally बोलो आम तौर पर. Person, place, animal or thing को दिया गया है. तो I will teach you. Okay children. Duster. So children, all the words in a common noun begin with a small letter. जब भी आप common noun के कुछ words लिखेंगे तो small letters के use start करना चाहिए. Okay children, I will look at the following common nouns. Okay children, look at the following common noun. Person. Person means व्यक्ति. कोई भी व्यक्ति हो सकता है. आप, मैं, कोई भी. Let's see. Teacher. There are many teachers, children. Okay. In our school, my name is Robert sir, Peter sir, Rane sir, Shah sir, Kavita madam, the teacher, every teacher. Okay, children. Boy. Boy बेटा, there are many boys. बहुत से बच्चे बेटा, बहुत से लड़के हैं. तो उनको boys. Girl.
बेटा आपका माइक बंद करो.
So teacher is a common noun, boy is a common noun, and girl. There are many girls. So girl is also a common noun. Mother. Mother is a common noun. Your mother, my mother, his mother, her mother. आपकी मम्मी, मेरी मम्मी, किसी की मम्मी. तो ये common noun है. Father. Father means पिताजी. आपके पिताजी, मेरे पिताजी, या किसी के पिताजी is a common noun. Brother. भाई. भाई भी एक common noun है. Sister. Sister is also a common noun. Uncle. What is uncle? You know uncle? Uncle बोलते चाचा. तो uncle भी एक common noun है बच्चों. Aunt. Aunt means auntie. तो auntie भी एक common noun है. Baby. Baby is also a common noun. Driver. Do you know driver? Motor driver, bus driver, train driver. This is a common noun. Let's see the. Repeat after me, children. Teacher, boy, girl, mother, father, brother, sister, uncle, auntie, baby, driver. So these are the person. And these are all common nouns. I'll show you place. Place. What is place? Place बोले तो जगह बेटा, कोई भी जगह हो सकती है. आपके जो घर के पास जगह है, जहाँ पे वो जगह है, स्कूल की जगह है. School. There are many school children. So all the schools are common noun. Bank. There are many banks. So bank is also a common noun. होटल. आप जाते हैं होटल में पापा मम्मी के साथ में लंच करने को, डिनर करने के लिए, ब्रेकफास्ट करने के लिए जाते हैं ना होटल में. तो देयर आर आल्सो मेनी होटल. होटल इज आल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. सिटी. सिटी बोले तो शहर. सिटी इज आल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. जलगांव सिटी, मुंबई सिटी, भुसावल सिटी, अरावत, चोपड़ा सिटी. सिटी इज आल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. पार्क. पार्क में जाते हैं आप लोग खेलने के लिए जाते हैं ना. तो देयर बहुत से पार्क है बेटा. तो पार्क इज आल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. चर्च. चर्च जब हम प्रेयर करते हैं क्रिश्चियन लोग जाके, तो चर्च इज आल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. टेंपल. टेंपल बोले तो मंदिर. मंदिर में आप लोग जाते हैं, भोसले जाते हैं, पूजा पाठ करते हैं. तो मंदिर बोले तो कॉमन नाउन टेंपल. इंग्लिश से टेंपल. विलेज. विलेज मीन्स गांव. तो विलेज भी कॉमन नाउन है. एनिमल. एवरीवन नो एनिमल. एनिमल बोले तो जानवर. बहुत से जानवर है बेटा. तो एनिमल्स के नाम बताता हूं आपको मैं. एलिफेंट. एलिफेंट भी कॉमन नाउन है. डॉग. डॉग इज आल्सो कॉमन नाउन. बर्ड. बर्ड भी कॉमन नाउन है. बर्ड मीन्स पक्षी. Snake. There are many snakes. So snake is also a common noun. Horse. घोड़ा. घोड़ा भी कॉमन नाउन है बच्चों. गोट. बकरी. आपके घर में बकरी है. बकरी इज ऑल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. गोट इज ऑल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन. डॉल्फिन. डॉल्फिन इज अ फिश. डॉल्फिन बोले तो फिश है. तो डॉल्फिन ऑल्सो कॉमन नाउन. कैमल. ऊंट. ऊंट आपको कहाँ देखने मिलेगा ज्यादा? रेगिस्तान में, राजस्थान में. तो कैमल इज ऑल्सो कॉमन नाउन. थिंग. थिंग बोले तो वस्तु, कोई भी चीज है बच्चों. अभी आपको मैं दिखाता हूँ क्या कौन सी चीज है. ओके. फर्स्ट book. Any book बेटा. Notebook, textbook, copybook. Book is a common noun. Chocolate. Everyone like chocolate. Cadbury chocolate. Any chocolate. So chocolate is a common noun. Train. You know train बेटा. आप ट्रेन में बैठे हैं. Railway. So train is a common noun. Car is a common noun. Ball. Ball is also a common noun. Bag. Computer. Bag is a common noun. Computer is a common noun. Map. You know map. What is map? नक्शा. इंडिया का नक्शा देखे आपने? भारत का नक्शा देखे तो उसको बोलते हैं मैप. मैप इज ऑल्सो कॉमन नाउन. चेयर, आपके घर में चेयर है, अभी आप चेयर पे बैठेंगे तो चेयर भी एक कॉमन नाउन है। पेंसिल एंड पेन, पेंसिल एंड पेन ऑल्सो अ कॉमन नाउन। तो चिल्ड्रन फास्ट, फोर्थ प्लेस स्कूल, बैंक, होटल, city, park, church, temple, village. These are all places. Animals, elephant, dog, bird, snake, horse, goat, dolphin, camels. These all are common nouns. Things, book, chocolate, train, car, ball, bag, computer, map, chair, pencil. These are all common nouns. First I taught you person, place, animal and thing. Now I will write down, identify the common noun. Identify the common noun. My, daddy and mommy live in Jalgaon. My daddy and mummy live in Jalgaon. Come on children, who will say which is the common noun? Can you hear me? आप मुझे सुन रहे हो बच्चों? Common noun बताइए मुझे आप. Yes, good. Daddy is a common noun. Very good. Mummy is a common noun. Very nice children, keep it up. Chetan is my brother. Who's Chetan? Chetan is my brother. Chetan मेरा भाई है. तो common noun कौन सा है बच्चों? Brother. Very good. Brother is a common noun. Very nice. Very nice. Keep it up. Keep it up. My teacher is in school. Now see here children. My teacher is in school. आपकी टीचर स्कूल में है. कॉमन नाउन कौन सा है बच्चों? Who will say? Teacher. Teacher. Very good. And one more. School. School. Very nice. Very nice. Good children. Good. Number 4. His book is new. उसकी किताब नई है. उसमें कॉमन नाउन कौन सा बच्चों? Very good children. Book. Number 5. स्वाति एक लड़की का नाम है. स्वाति won 10 pencils. So which is the common noun? Pencil. Very good. Very nice beta. Very nice. Keep it up. He is a farmer. Farmer मतलब किसान. वो किसान है. तो कौन सा common noun है बच्चों? Yes, fast. Farmer. Very good. The last and the best. जो आपको पसंद है बच्चों, please give me a चॉकलेट, कृपया करके मुझे चॉकलेट दो, टॉफी दो। तो इसमें कॉमन नाउन कौन सा है? गुड, चॉकलेट इज द कॉमन नाउन। Repeat after me, children. My daddy and mummy live in Jalgaon. Daddy and mummy is a common noun. Chetan is my brother. Brother is a common noun. My teacher is in school. Teacher and school is a common noun. His book is new. The book is a common noun. Swati won 10 pencil. Pencil is a common noun. He is farmer. Kisan hai, farmer is a common noun. Please give me a chocolate. Chocolate is a common noun. Okay, teacher, children, take a pencil, book, write it down, everyone, and learn. Tomorrow I am going to ask you, learn and write what is common noun. Thank you, children. God bless you all. Stay home, stay safe.